Hi guys, welcome back. I just had okay, there's so much to catch up on. Oh my goodness. Firstly, I'm renovating the house. As you can probably tell, this is currently on a ladder. That over there was my office. Now it's just filled with stuff from the lounge. I'll try to like do a proper before and after video if you guys would be interested in that once I'm completed everything, but this lounge was a really gross like yellow color. I'm just an aesthetic person and I'm home all day working, so I really wanted to like spruce up the place a little bit. I just went to Casey Clinic and got a like skin peel and a microderm, so that's why my face is like on fire, but that's a whole another topic that I'm going to talk about later because my acne has not been clearing up, so I wanted to have a frank chat with you guys about that and what I'm going to be doing about that. But yes, I just put a poll on Instagram if I should start vlogging today. I'm going to go look at wallpaper samples now and pick out some wallpaper for this room. I'm going to have like a feature wallpaper going across the bottom of the room. I crashed my car recently, which sucked. Got my insurance claim approved like a month ago and it's taken so long for this to finally like be processed and everything. I have to get a blood test taken for the acne medication that I'm going on, so an eventful week, and yeah, just so much has happened in my life lately. That's why I've been really absent. Not all good things, unfortunately, but here I am. The house renovation is giving me life. Thumbs up. This is still very much a before, but now the walls in here are white and we've just gone over and primed these paneling boards. I've been Pinteresting all morning, so hopefully I can find something I like actually in New Plymouth. This room is painted, but I haven't got new curtains for it, so that's definitely going to be happening. But I've moved the spare bed into here, so this is going to become the guest room. Down the hallway, this is the huge room that was the spare bedroom, so you can see I'm slowly setting up my stuff in here. This is hopefully going to be my new background for my videos. When I moved all my makeup into here, I had to take it out of the drawers and I just decluttered it so much because there's a bunch of my makeup I didn't even touch. So I've only kept stuff that I actually use. I might do an updated makeup collection. Let me know if you guys want that. All these palettes I'm getting rid of. All this makeup here I'm getting rid of. And there's some more stuff in my old office as well. Mum was in town as well. I've just met up with her to look at some wallpaper and carpet. I've got a book of wallpaper. I'm gonna go with that one. Okay, it's like another cyclone here in New Plymouth, so we just won't read it because you can't hear me.
It's a B as well. We were looking at an A before, weren't we?
That's a B. There's quite a few nice ones because this colour is easy to match curtains as well. Yeah, this green couch isn't staying in here, by the way. It looks so like it sticks out like a sore thumb. Today was successful. We got carpet and a wallpaper. The walls are primed, ready for the wallpaper. First coat of paint is on for the areas that aren't getting wallpapered. I got a new chest of drawers for by my bed. It's just like a big white unit. I'm so excited because I haven't had a proper chest of drawers since I was like a kid, I swear. Can you hear the house squeaking? It is seriously so windy. I should not even be leaving the house. By the way guys, I'm getting my extensions permanently bonded in. I feel not like myself with short hair. I liked it for like a year. Still actually growing pretty good, but I'm just impatient. I wish I could tell you guys what trip I have coming up, but I'm not allowed to mention it yet. It'll all make sense soon, but yeah, I want long hair for that. And I have these clip-ins, these premium clip-ins from Loxy, so they're just gonna put them in for me like bonded. I don't even know how it works. I'm not a hairdresser, but basically it'll just be like my hair, and I can cut them as short as I want because they're gonna be like really long, so I might cut them to like here. But yeah, so excited. I mean, my hair's really thick, so I hope that they blend in okay. But I have got pretty thick extensions, so we will see. I also bought an epic mirror today. It is so bougie. It was like $300, but I got it on, well, it wasn't even on sale, but there was like a sale thing like attached onto it saying sale, sale, sale. It was at Guthrie Barham, and I was like, oh, like is that the sale price on it, or like what's the sale? And they're like, oh my gosh, like our boss just randomly sticks these sale signs up everywhere, because it was right by the counter just to like let people know that there's stuff on sale in the store, but because he'd like put it onto the mirror and made it look like the mirror was on sale. So they were super nice. They're like, oh, we can probably just like get you it for a discount. They gave me 25% off. I was like on the fence about getting it, but I was just like, that's like $90 off this mirror. I'll show you guys that. I'll hang it up soon, but it's so nice. What I did to my makeup, I put a little bit of pencil in my eyebrows, but I read like a hate blog thing about myself, and people were saying that my eyebrows were too dark. Like, don't even ask. But it was really interesting. Like, I like knowing what people hate about me because a lot of the time it's like a valid point. I don't know, I guess I just got into the whole Insta trend of doing it really dramatic, but I do like the more natural just makeup look. So yeah, and also people said I'm boring, but I can't help that. Even when I'm editing my own videos, I'm like, oh, this is so boring. Like, why am I so boring? I thought you'd be able to see the wind. Thomas is getting a new car today, hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Hi guys, I'm just going to get my blood test done. Mum's coming to hold my hand for the blood test.
Ta-da! We're brave, darling.
So brave. I'm just having a snack in the car. Mum's having a banana. I'm having some almonds. I'm thinking I might go and work at Mum and Dad's house for the day because the paint smell, you guys know how it is if you've had something painted or like varnished in your house. It's so strong. Mum was getting a headache. Pimple's looking very angry. I need to actually tell you guys, so the reason that I got the blood test is I'm hopefully going on Isotane, which is like Accutane. Yeah, I'll update you about that because it does have quite serious side effects. So I was thinking for those of you that want to go on it, you might be interested to see if it works for me and if I get side effects and that sort of thing. Basically it just dries out your whole body, but that's what I need because my acne is so persistent. It's pretty. Reflections. They're slimming though, Dad, or some of them are like fattening and some are slimming.
Oh, are they? Yeah, yeah.
What are you feeling for lunch?
I can feel a nice kind of quiche, kind of salmony, blinking salady type of thing coming on with a flat white.
A Lincoln salad. Going to Public Catering Company. So nice in here. Wow, a mood. I forgot to vlog our food, but we had zucchini fritters, green juice, it's so nice. I love green juices that don't have parsley because parsley tastes like the devil. I was just telling Dad about zoodles.
Yes.
Zoodles.
Zacoodles.
They're just zoodles.
Zacoodles. How's your zacoodles? They are good.
What's that? Oh my god. Probably not the best number plate for me.
No,
Self-esteem
very
issues.
inappropriate.
Someone has the number plate sale here, and it's an Audi as well, which is like my dream car. It makes me so mad because I want that car. Come to Bunnings with Dad. We're just pottering around. I like this chair for possibly a random chair to put next to the couch in the lounge with like a throw over it. I think would be quite cute.
Yeah. Hey, cheer up.
Dad providing all of your pun needs. I'm just eating a Tic Tac and I feel like I'm gonna sneeze, but I'm just off to a nail appointment now. It's a new day. I just did my hair in like a low bun and put on some mascara. This is the Bad Girl or Bad Gal Bang. I feel like you can't even see my makeup. Not that I'm wearing makeup, but I'm wearing mascara. Yes, I've just been sorting stuff out. My nails are in the worst shape. Look, I need to get some new glass for this mirror. It's like the prettiest. It's in the corner of my room and it's like antique. I painted it, but unfortunately the mirror itself has some spots on it. But I just loved the overall little, and I've got like coats and stuff in here. It's so cute. So I'm just wearing a huge jumper dress today, and I might actually put on a coat as well because it's really cold outside. Excuse the mess on the bed. I was just like sorting stuff out. And then I have on just leggings. This bag is actually Shiny Grimmon's bag, and I feel forever in her debt. I feel really bad using it, honestly. When I was in Brisbane, I forgot to pack a clutch, so I had all my stuff in this just so weaver, like a zip up case thing, and everyone was laughing at me. We were drinking at Shani's apartment at the time, so I asked her if she just had like a crappy bag that I could put my stuff in for the night, and she gave me this one, which is like nice. It's a nice bag. And she's like, just keep it, doll, you know, like you have it. And I feel really bad. I feel like I shouldn't have like taken it, but I had nothing else to use, and then I didn't end up seeing her again, so I couldn't return it. I should have just left it at Michael's, to be honest, but I really don't think she wanted it back. She was like, seriously, just keep it. But yeah, I feel kind of bad now. Like when I wear it, I'm like, ugh. So that's my outfit. I'll show you what jacket. I think I might wear one of my fluffy ones. I actually got a new one in the mail from this New Zealand boutique. They were so sweet and they just, yeah, sent me a jacket because they're like a new boutique. Now I just all of a sudden look way too extra for New Plymouth. But oh well, at least I'll be warm. What do you guys think? So cute. I'm obsessed. Just about to snuggle in and watch a movie or something on Netflix. I'm not sure what yet. And I put these eye patches on and then I realized on the back that they've expired like a full year ago. That's so shocking. Am I going to get an eye disease? That is the main question here. You can see these ones don't even really fit my eye. Ooh, they're like glittery. I never even noticed that. This is very unflattering lighting. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna keep these ones on because I've rubbed the juice like all over my skin. But leave me any brands down below that you guys enjoy because obviously I need to buy new ones now. I feel so mean having to move the cord under Mavis, but I need to use my laptop. Feeling so nice and relaxed. These eye patches still smell so good even though they're expired. Sorry Mavis, you literally cannot see anything. Maybe if I come over by my candle, you can't really see, but I'll show you guys maybe tomorrow in another video. I got sent this pillow spray from Mecca Cosmetics and it's so nice. I spray it every night and I'm also really liking this lip treatment from Dermalogica. I'm gonna sign off for now. I'm so looking forward to some Netflix and a face mask.